Okay, now ready to depart. It's 185133, forming the 1650 Transparent Express service to Liverpool Lime Street. This will be the last train of the day. As she pulls off, I shall leave it here. Thank you all very much for watching, it is greatly appreciated. If you have liked what you've seen here today, please do like, comment and subscribe. If you do comment, I will get back to them when and whenever I can. My next station is Seamer. That's about 5 minutes down from here. So, Scarborough Station. It's a very nice station. You might think it's busy down here, but it's not that much busy. Over there is a bus depot. So if you're bus geeks like me and train geeks like me, here's a perfect spot for you. So until Seamer, I shall see you guys later. Bye guys.